Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. My name is Alex. I'm going to be presenting the webinar tonight. I'm pretty happy to do it. Actually, it's been I think 2 weeks that I haven't done the weekly webinar, so I might be a little rusty, but that's okay. We'll get through it. No problem at all. The webinar tonight is not what's written there, so that's pretty interesting. Wow, that's too bad. I have forgot to change the name of the slide. Never mind. I think the next slide is fine though. Tonight's webinar will be about price action trading and how to improve as a price action trader, which is always really fun. I always start now with this slide, which shows the different accounts we have. So you should follow us on Twitter, become fans on Facebook, and obviously visit our website. We do share some stuff to our different social media accounts, which are kind of exclusive for our followers and stuff. So if you have time, if you have an account there, it would make us really happy if you could follow us and kind of participate there as well. All right, so I'm going to go to the next slide if it lets me. Yes, there we go. So improving, see, I told you that it was there. Improving as a price action trader, perfect. I guess I should say a few words about myself. I'm Alex. I'm trader, price action trader, specifically in Forex. I do some binary trading as well. I've done a little bit of a course, of binary course on the website as well, so you can check that out too if you're curious. And yeah, I've been a trader for about 5 years now, almost, and yeah, 5 years. And I've been a price action trader for about 3 years. So usually, when people start out, they usually start out like I did. So it's someone talk to you about, whatever price action. Someone talked to you about Forex or trading, and you kind of wonder what that is, and you start reading about it and Googling, and the first thing you see is a lot of articles about fancy indicators and EAs that will make you really, really rich. And while I never really fell for that, I kind of always assumed that it was that trading was had something to do with all these indicators, which only really, really smart people could understand. So it's also from Hollywood and those kind of movies. Like what was that movie? There was a movie where the guy took a pill and got really, really smart. I forgot the name of that movie, but anyway, in that movie there's a scene where the guy is just making money hand over fist in the stock market, and you can see that his charts are all crazy and full of crazy indicators. And it's kind of in the mind of people that you have to be using a lot of weird lines with a lot of flashy colors and read those numbers and somehow figure out what you have to do. And so I started out like this, and obviously at some point I found someone who was willing to take me under his wing and teach me price action trading. And from there on, I started making money more decently. It took me a little while to get used to it, and I'm sure that it is the same for you. Usually, the people that come onto my trading hub and discover the website at first, they get a little bit confused because it's a lot of things to learn, and it's a lot of things to forget as well, and that's kind of the difficult part. But at some point, you kind of tip over and you get used to trading price action, and you kind of start to love it. And I'm kind of assuming that the people who are following this webinar tonight are here to sorry, moving on my chair, are here to to get better as a price action trader. So you already have kind of a mind for it, or you already know what price action trading is. So I'm going to define it and talk a little bit about it, but I won't go too much into that because you should already know what price action trading is, and I don't want to bore you with that kind of stuff. So we will go over it just in case people who are here or watching the recording at home kind of wonder what I'm on about. We'll definitely define it, but we won't go into too much details in that. So you can see the tonight's plan. So the introduction, I'm right in the middle of it, so that's fine. What is price action trading? So like I said, I will go quickly over that. Why is it better than anything else? That's me being a little bit cocky and just saying flat out that it's the best thing ever. And then how to improve on a daily basis. So this is kind of this section will be kind of the routine that you should implement in your life to slowly but surely get better at price action trading. So it won't be mind-blowing things, but it will be small things that you will do every day to get used to becoming a better price action trader, to get more experience, more short time and everything. So we will see that, and then we'll have, as always, the advanced section where we'll talk about adapting any strategies to price action and how to practice. So I will give you a couple of exercises to do at home. I hope you'll like it. I'm pretty excited, and as you know, some of you know, I mean, I see some of the names are here every week, and it's really amazing to see you guys just following us and coming over every week to the webinars. That's pretty cool. But you might know that this is kind of my area of expertise and the area where I like to geek out and talk a lot. So hopefully I won't be too boring, and I won't go on too many tangents. But it's very probable that it's going to happen. All right. So what is price action trading? Well, price action trading is the skill of trading without any indicator. So it's just reading the price. So it's in the name, really. You're reading what the price is doing. So the action of the price, that's the only thing you're looking at. So there's no lines, there's no indicators, there's no oscillator, all that kind of stuff. Nothing on the chart. Just looking at the candles. Some might say, and actually it's pretty accurate. Some might say that candles are actually indicators, which is true. In Forex, it's really difficult to just read the price, because the market is so huge, and I won't go into that now. But it's really difficult to just read the price. You could potentially just read the numbers, the number of the price going up and down, so the quotes. And